Hello, children. Miss Agatha here. Today we are going to learn some CVC words. CVC means a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. It makes a short word. Today we are going to learn how to read and say it aloud. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is at. Can you sound it with me? At. Cat. Can you say it again? Cat. Children, look at this word. At. Can you say the sounds with me? At. Heart. Wow, it's a heart. And look at its color. It's purple. Can you say the purple hat? Can you repeat after me? The purple hat. Can you say the word hat? Hat. Good job. Look at this word. D o g. Can you say the sounds with me? D o g. Now blend the sounds together. Dog. Yes, it's a dog. Look at the picture. Can you see the dog? Good job. Children, let's read the sentence together. This is a dog. This is a dog. Good job. Can you bark like the dog? Woof, woof. Amazing. Children, look at this word. Eh. Can you say the sounds with me? Eh. Now blend the sounds together. Pen. Yes, it's a pen. Look at the picture. Can you see the pen? Let's read the sentence together. This is a pen. Great job. Can you pretend to write with a pen? Wow, amazing. Pen. Look at this word. S, a, n. Can you say this sound with me? S, a, n. Now blend the sounds together. Sun. Yes, it's a sun. Look at the picture. Can you see the sun? Let's read the sentence together. The sun is hot. Wow! Can you pretend to feel the warm sun? Good job! Sun. Children, look at this word. B, e, d. Can you blend it together? Bed. Yes, good job. Look at the picture. Can you see a bed? Yes, this is a bed. Can you read with me? This is a bed. Good job. Now, let's do a fun activity. Pretend you're lying on a bed. Stretch your arms and take a pretend nap. One more time. Say the sound. Bed. Good job. Look, children. K, a. Can you blend the word together? Cup. Can you sound it with me? K, ah. Good job. Look at the picture. Wow, there's some ice cream in the cup. Let's say the sentence together. This is a cup. Good job. Pretend you're holding a cup and taking a yummy bite of ice cream. Yummy. Cup. Can you say the word cup? Children, look at this word. B o x. Can you say it with me? B o x. Great. Now blend the sounds together. Box. Look at the picture. Wow, this is a box. Let's say the sentence together. The box is big. Fantastic. Pretending you're lifting up the big box. Push it up. Oh, it's heavy. One more time. Let's sound the word b o x. Box. Good job. Children, listen to the sounds n, e, t. Can you say it with me? N, e, t. Great. Now blend the sounds together. Net. Look at the picture. This is a net. Let's say the sentence together. I see a net. Good job. Pretend you're holding a net and catching a fish. One more time. Let's say the sound out together. N, e, t. Listen to the sound. E, n. Can you say it with me? E, n. Great. Now blend the sounds together. Hen. Look at the picture. Yes, this is a hen. Let's say the sentence together. This is a hen. Fantastic. Pretend you are a hen flapping your wings and clacking. Clack, clack, clack. One more time. Eh, mm. Listen to the sounds. Ah, t. Can you say it with me? Ah, t. Great job. Now blend the sounds together. Heart. Look at the pictures. Yes, this is a heart. Let's say the sentence together. This is a heart. Wonderful. Pretend you're building a heart with your hands. Build, build. Say the word heart. Heart. Amazing. Great job, children. Today we learned many words. Cup, box, net, hen, bed, sun. We sounded the letters, blended the words, and read the sentences. Amazing work. Remember, objects are things we can see and touch, and sentences help us share ideas. Great job! Give yourself a thumb up. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fun and reading lessons. Bye!